Good day. What we are going to discuss is about place values. But first, we have to learn what a digit is. It tells you how many parts a number has. In this number, 456 tells you that it has 3 parts or 3 digits. Also, it tells us that for every digit, it has its place. And for every place, it tells you how much worth the digit is. Okay? Such number is called a 3-digit number. Another example is 56. It tells that it has 2 digits. Ang tawag natin sa 56 ay isang 2-digit number. At ito naman ay isang example ng isang 1-digit number. Gaano kadami ang 236? Wow! Ganito kadami ang sticks. Pag nire-represent ko ang 236, ganito kadami ang 200. Ganito naman kadami ang 3 tens o 30 ones. Ganito naman kadami pag 6 ones. All together, ito na ang kabuuan ng 236. Ang dami, di ba? Paano naman ito sinusulat sa words or number words? Ito ang paraan. Gets mo? Upang malaman natin na meron kayong natutunan sa place values, ititest natin 1 to 10 lang naman. Okay? Item number 1. What is the value or the worth of this digit? The value or worth is 5 tens or 50. Item number 2. What is the value or the worth of this digit? The value or worth of this digit is 600. Item number 3. What is the value or the worth of this digit? Value or worth of the digit is 2 ones or 2. Item number 4. What is the value or the worth of this digit? The value or worth of this digit is 0 tens. Item number 5. What is the value or the worth of this digit? value of this digit is 5 or 5 ones. Item number 6. What is the value or the worth of this digit? Value or worth of digit 9 is 9 tenths or 90. Item number 7. What is the value or the worth of this digit? The value or worth is 100. Item number 8. What is the value or the worth of this digit? Value or worth of this digit is 0 tenths or 0. Item number 9. What is the value or the worth of this digit? The value is 3 ones or just plain 3. Item number 10. What is the value or the worth of this digit? Value is 4. Now, let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by IVFC for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.